You looking to downsize and want a maintenance-free lifestyle? Well, I've got the condo for you located here in Hudson. It's 12349 Dearborn Drive, unit number E, in the great community of Beacon Woods. It's actually a golf course community. And this condo has recently been remodeled. And you know what? You get all brand new appliances and even a washer and dryer come with the unit. So I'm super excited to show you around.